How to change your Wi-Fi password using your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. If you wish to change your Wi-Fi password to keep your internet secure, I'll show you the two easy methods. So simply what you can do is open your router's configuration page. For that, let's open any web browser or internet browser. Tap on the search bar at top of your screen and you can type in your router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1. And you can find the correct IP on the bottom or back of your router, and you need to log into your router and you can easily locate the wireless settings and find Wi-Fi password and enter a strong password and save it. The second method is simply you can change Wi-Fi password using an application. So you can install a router management application. For that, head towards Google Play Store. Using the search icon and the search bar, you can easily find out the apps like Wi-Fi router setup page or router admin setup control. And once installed, you can easily find your router and log in. And once logged in, you can go to the wireless section and update your Wi-Fi password and save the changes. So these are the two simple methods in order to change your Wi-Fi password using your phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.